Welcome back to Craft and Canvas. Isn't this the cutest Easter card ever? Today I'll show you how to make an easy DIY Easter pop-up card at home. Let's get started. For this DIY Easter craft, the materials you will need are cardboard paper, scoring tool, scissors, glue, pencil, and markers. Printable templates used in this tutorial are available on our website. Link is in the description box below. Take template 1, the card piece. Score along the center line and fold it neatly in half. And just like that, your card piece is ready. Now it's time to decorate. Get creative and design your card. Next, take template 2, the pop-up mechanism. Score and fold along the lines according to the instructions on the template. When you fold and open, it should look like a small pop structure, just like this. This mechanism is what makes the card pop. Now let's move to template 3, the wings. Draw a simple wing shape and cut it out carefully. Finally, take template 4, the body. I drew and cut out a cute little chick breaking out of an egg. You can draw your own design and follow the template provided. Now our pieces are ready to assemble. Take the pop-up mechanism, apply glue to this side and stick it to the middle of the card. Now apply glue to the other side of the mechanism and gently close the card so it sticks perfectly in place. This ensures the pop-up works correctly when opened. Next, apply glue to the triangular sections and attach the wings. Finally, glue the chick right in the center of the mechanism. And tada! Your DIY Easter pop-up card is ready. When you open the card, the cute chick pops right out of the egg. Isn't that adorable? And the best part is, it's super easy to make. If you enjoyed this Easter craft tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craft and Canvas for more creative DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crafting.